Number 17. A fish sanctuary in Cebu is under threat from ocean acidification caused by climate change. What mitigation and adaptation actions can protect marine biodiversity in this area, given ocean acidification threatening marine biodiversity, required mitigation and adaptation, solution, reduce carbon dioxide emissions through renewable energy, expand MPAs, regulate fishing practices. Final answer, carbon reduction, expanded MPAs, sustainable fishing. Number 18. In Mindoro, the tamaraw, a critically endangered species, faces shrinking habitats due to climate change. Suggests policies or community efforts to protect this species. Given endangered tamaraws faces shrinking habitats, required policies or community efforts. Solution, expand protected areas, involves indigenous communities in conservation, implement anti-poaching measures. Final answer, habitat expansion, community-led conservation, and anti-poaching laws. Number 19. A barangay in Quezon is exploring reforestation as a climate change mitigation strategy. What tree species and planting methods should be prioritized to maximize both climate and biodiversity biodiversity benefits given barangay explores reforestation required tree species and planting methods. Solution, plant native and climate resilient trees, for example, Nara, Molabe. Use assisted natural regeneration, mixed species for biodiversity. Final answer, native, climate resilient, and mixed species reforestation. Number 20. Imagine you are part of a student organization tasked with creating a climate action campaign. Propose a project that both raises awareness and directly contributes to biodiversity conservation in your locality. So we're given student group tasks with climate action project. So required, propose campaign raising awareness and conserving biodiversity. Solution, launch a plastic-free campus and community project. Integrate mangrove or tree planting. Social media campaigns for awareness. Final answer, plastic-free advocacy and reforestation or mangrove planting campaign. MCQ for our quarter 3 biology lesson 11, adapting and mitigating climate change impacts on local biodiversity. Number 1. Which of the following is an example of climate change adaptation in local communities? Letter A, reforestation. Letter B, building flood control systems. Letter C, reducing fossil fuel consumption. Letter D, banning single-use plastics. Number 2, what does mitigation primarily focus on? Letter A, adjusting to unavoidable climate impacts. Letter B, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Letter C, preparing emergency response systems. Letter D, relocating communities away from coasts. Number 3, planting mangroves along shorelines in the Philippines is primarily a measure to A, reduce the acidity of oceans. Letter B, protect biodiversity and prevent coastal erosion. Letter C, improve agricultural production. Letter D, eliminate invasive species. Number 4, the use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is considered a, letter A, climate adaptation strategy. B, mitigation strategy. C, disaster response plan. Letter D, traditional farming practice. Number 5, community-based marine protected areas, MPAs, help biodiversity by A, reducing water pollution from factories. Letter B, allowing fish populations to recover. Letter C, increasing tourist activities. Letter D, encouraging urbanization near coasts. Number 6, a local farmer shifting from rice to drought-resistant crops is practicing A, mitigation, B, adaptation, C, industrialization, D, reforestation. MCQ number 7. Which of the following is an example of an ecosystem-based adaptation strategy? Letter A, constructing seawalls. Letter B, expanding urban infrastructure. Letter C, restoring wetlands and forests. Letter D, importing more fossil fuels. Number 8, which adaptation strategy helps address the risk of stronger typhoons in coastal towns? Letter A, early warning systems. Solar energy promotion. Letter B. Letter C, reforestation in upland areas. Letter D, ban on plastic bags. Number 9. Which is the most effective mitigation strategy for transportation? Letter A, expanding highways for private cars. Letter B, promoting mass public transportation. Letter C, building more parking areas. Letter D, encouraging air travel. Number 10, strengthening laws against illegal logging is an example of letter A, biodiversity exploitation. Letter B, adaptation. C, mitigation. D, ecosystem destruction. Number 11. Why is reforestation considered both an adaptation and mitigation strategy? Letter A, it is expensive to implement. Letter B, trees absorb carbon and also reduce flooding. Letter C, it requires less community participation. Letter D, it only applies to rural areas. Number 12. Which adaptation measure helps farmers cope with unpredictable rainfall? Letter A, solar panels. Letter B, irrigation systems and rainwater harvesting. Letter C, industrial waste reduction. Letter D, expanding road networks. Number 13, protecting coral reefs helps in climate change adaptation because A, reefs block storm surges. B, reefs increase soil fertility. Letter C, reefs provide fossil fuels. Letter D, reefs remove plastics from the ocean. Number 14. A mitigation action in households to reduce climate change is A, using energy efficient appliances. B, relocating houses from flood zones. Letter C, planting drought-resistant crops. Letter D, building storm shelters. We will have the next part of our quarter 3 biology lesson 11.